Financial accounting. In previous class, I explained meaning, definition, needs, and objectives of the accounting. So, meaning of the accounting. Accounting is the discipline which record the classify, summarize, and interpret the financial information about the activities of a concern. Such interpreting will help the taking the intelligent decisions about the organization. That means it is a process of recording the financial transaction in respect of the financial position of the business. Next is definition. According to American accounting information, it is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment and decisions by the users of the information. So by the accounting only, accounting is a process, means it is a proper process, means orderly they has to write the information, day to day transactions, every day they has to record the transactions, identify whether it is a debited or credited, that they has to identify, measuring that, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment and decision by the user of the information. Means those who are using the accounting information, they can easily judge the financial position of the organization with the help of the record, means with the help of the bookkeeping only they can able to give the judgment of the financial position of the company. Next is needs of accounting, means so every transaction they cannot able to keep in the mind throughout the year, means in the end of the year only we can able to maintain the financial accounting, that is balance sheet we can able to maintain at the end of the year. So every transaction we cannot able to keep in the mind. For that purpose, every day, that day to day transaction they has to entered in a bookkeeping, so or else they can able to transact that in the form of ledger account. With the help of that they can able to prepare the financial statement of the company. By this financial statement of the company, they can able to know the financial position of the organization, and also the financial with the help of the accounting only they can able to satisfy the government and income tax authorities. In many cases, maintaining accounting is a legal requirement. So if it is a registered company, they has to audit the account, they has to audit. It is not possible without accounting. So if auditing will be there in the organization, then they has to maintain the accounting record of accounting will be there, then only they can able to call the auditors. Next is with the help of the accounting only the management can able to take the future decision, and also they can able to take the proper decision regarding the organization. Accounting provides such information which help the management in taking the proper decisions. Next is advantages. So almost need and advantages or objectives almost the same only. In advantages, so with the help of the accounting we can able to know the profit or loss of the business, to know the assets and liabilities of the business on a particular date, in which date the value of the assets how much will be there and how much the liabilities will be there, that information also we can able to know with the help of the accounting. To know what amount is payable to any persons or what amount is receivable from any person, means creditor value and the debtor value we can able to know with the help of the accounting only. To know the quality of and value of the stock on a particular day, how much the value of the stock will be there, that also we can able to know with the help of the accounting. Means we are recording the trading account, after that only profit and loss account. So with the help of the trading account we can able to know how much the closing stock will be there in the organization, that information also we can able to know with the help of the recordings. And it helps to satisfy the taxation authority. So taxation authority, for the taxation authority also it will be satisfied, because they has to pay the tax which is the revenue for the government authorities. Next is role or functions of accounting. It keeps a systematic record of a financial activities of the business. It properly records the transaction, classify them to appropriate account, and then present them in the form of financial transaction like profit and loss account and balance sheet. So systematically means properly they will record the financial activities of the business, means day to day transaction whatever will be there, that they were recording in a proper record. Classify them in a appropriate account, means they were classified, whatever the account will be there, they were classified in a appropriate account, means separate account they were maintaining, and then presenting in the form of financial transaction. After that only, means after that appropriate account, after preparing the appropriate account only, they can able to prepare a financial statement, that financial statement of financial transactions, which will be trading and profit and loss account, trading and profit and loss account, and balance sheet. So with the help of the balance sheet we can able to analyze the organization positions. In balance sheet only we can able to know the value of the assets and the liabilities. It protect the properties of the business by maintaining the record of various properties of the business. Accounting enables the management to exercise proper control over the properties of the business. So it protect the properties of the business. Means properties of the business means everything will be including assets and liabilities of the business. By maintaining the records of the various properties of the business. So in the organization they will maintain the records of the business, various appropriate account they were maintaining, and also various records also they were maintaining. So accounting enables the management to exercise the proper control. So by that the organization can able to proper control over the properties of the business. Next is accounting communication, the financial result and the other valuable financial informations to the various interested groups. Naturally, accounting is recorded as a language of business. With the help of the accounting communication, the financial result and the other valuable financial information on the various interested groups, means other financial information also they can able to know, and other various interested groups also they can able to know the financial position of the organization. So naturally accounting is regarded as a language of business. So it is in the form of the language of the business. The provision of various laws like Income Tax Act, the Companies Act, Sales Tax, etc. require a business concerns to record, maintain and submit some financial report and statement. Accounting satisfied the needs of the laws by maintaining the proper records. So with the help of the accounting only they can able to satisfy the different authorities, different laws also. They has to follow the different laws also, and also they has to satisfy the needs of these laws by maintaining the proper records. Means organization they has to maintain the proper records. Next is users of the accounting information. Who are all will be there? The users, means who are all using the accounting information. The accounting provide the useful information about the various activities of the business organization. The information provided by accounting may be used by the individual or the group of people or for making informed judgment and taking the decisions. So it will be giving the proper information for the single person or the group of the persons to take the proper decisions regarding the business. So who are all that? Means the managers or the management, people with direct financial interest and people with indirect financial interest. First one is management. Management is a group of people who are responsible for using the resources and managing the affairs of the business organization to achieve the goal and the objectives. So manager is main responsible for organization, whether they achieve the proper goal or not. They can able to give the answer for the higher authorities. For that purpose, they has to maintain the proper record. Manager perform the functions of like planning, controlling, directing, measuring, evaluating and taking corrective action where necessary. So manager only having the right to take the proper decisions regarding the business. So they has to plan, they has to control, directing, measuring and evaluating and taking proper decision where the necessary will be there. So if they were planning in the middle, if the necessary will be there, they can able to change the decision. That right will be there only for the managers. Accounting provide timely and useful information to management for planning. It provides timely and useful information for the management. So it will be giving time for the management to make the plan and control and decision making for performing many activities and functioning in the organization. So with the help of the accounting only they can able to plan and future with whatever the plan will be there, whether it was going in a proper manner, that they can able to analyze. So if there is any changes in the planning, that changes will be made by the managers, and with the help of the accounting only they can able to take the future decisions. For this reason, management is only most important user of accounting information. Management as an internal user of the accounting information. So management is main important. So they were only having the control over all the department of the organization. So they can able to take the proper decision regarding the growth of the company. Next is people with a direct financial interest. So people with those who are like to directly invested in the organization. So people who is having the direct financial interest in the company. People who are having people who have direct people who have direct financial interest in the company, consisting of existing investors, the potential investors, and the creditors. Those people have interest in working in the company because they have either invested or taking of investment in the company. Should a proper judgment be made? It is because essential to analyze the company financial statement. So people who have directly financial interest in the company means those are directly investing in the organization financial position, then it will be consisting of the existing investors, means existing investor they can able to invest in the organization, and the creditors or the potential investors, means these people have interest in the working of the company because they have either invested or taking of investment in the company. Should be a proper judgment be made? It is because essential of analyzing the company financial position or the financial statement. So they will, means the directly those who are investing, they know the financial position or the financial statement of the organization, then only they like to invest in the organization, like a creditors. The creditor required accounting information to make a decisions. So for the creditors also they need accounting information to make the decision whether to lend money or not. The creditors are interested in knowing whether the company will have enough cash to pay interest and repay the debt. Means for every creditors they has to know the financial position, and also they has to know whether the company will able to pay what the amount they were invested in the organization, means repay the debt. For this purpose, the company liquidity and cash flow position will have to be analyzed. For that purpose, the creditors will be analyzing the cash flow statement of the organization. Next is, apart from the investors and creditors, there are other users such as employees and suppliers who have directly financial interest in the company, and therefore in its accounting information, employees use the financial report to assess the risk and the growth potential of the company, and consequently of the job security and promotional possibilities. So apart from the investors and creditors, there are some other users will be there, that they are employees and the suppliers who will directly invest in the directly invest in the financial position of the finance of the organization, because they know the financial position of the company, means accounting informations they know, so easily they can able to invest in the organization. Employee use the financial report to assess the risk and growth potential of the company. So employee who, if he is investing in the particular company, he know the risk of the company and the growth of the company, and consequently job security and promotional possibilities for him. Next, third one is uses people with a indirect financial interest. The people with indirect financial interest are like customer, taxation authority, government and regulatory agencies, labor union, financial analysis and advisor. and stock and share brokers, underwriter, economist, planner, consumer groups, the general public, and so on, as they may be made out this or external user of the organization. Accounting information will help the customer in forecasting the livelihood or timing of the company going bankrupt or failing to meet the commitment. Taxation authorities require financial statement to ascertain the tax liabilities of the company. For the customer, means how it will be help for the customer in forecasting the livelihood, means on time whether they were getting the proper payment or not, that will be they can able to analyze with the help of the financial position. And going bankrupt or failing to meet the commitment, whether the organization having the commitment, whether they were fulfilling that commitment or not, that also they can able to analyze. So those who are know the value of the organization, if they were fulfilling the commitment of the organization, then they will indirectly investing in the organization. Next, this taxation authority required financial statement ascertain the tax liability of the company. So taxation authority, they need the financial statement to know the tax liability of the company, means how much the tax they has to pay, they can able to get by the company. For that purpose they need the accounting information. Next is government regulatory agencies want the financial information of the company so they can able, so that they can protect public interest. So government agencies and the financial regulatory agencies with the help of the financial, so that they can able to protect the public interest. So they cannot able to make the fraudulent act in the society. So for that purpose they need the accounting information. Next is labor union are interested in the stability and profitability of the organization in which their members are working, and stock and share brokers, financial analysts and advisors have an indirect interest in the financial performance and prospect of the company because they have advised their client. So labor unions, why they need means they labor unions, they need the so they need labor unions, they need the stability of the work, and the worker who is working in the organization, they need the satisfaction of the work, and also stability of the work they need. And also stock and share brokers, financial analysis and advisor, they have the direct interest in the financial performance of the company because they can able to advise their client to invest in the particular organization. And also economic planner use accounting information to set the economic goal, to forecast economic activities and evaluate the economic programming undertaking. So economists, they can able to plan the economic planner or using the accounting information to set the economic goal, means they can able to set the economic goal to forecast economic activities and evaluate the economic program undertaking, means whatever the program they can able to undertake regarding the company, that information they can able to given by the help of the account, with the help of the accounting only. Next is disadvantages of accounting. It record only monetary transaction. The system of accounting under the study record only the transaction which can be measured in terms of money. There are, however, several transactions which cannot be measured in terms of money, like efficient management, which are very important for an organization. These monetary transactions are not recorded in financial accounting. So limitations means only the organization will record only in terms of money only they will maintain. As I told, the meaning of the accounting, it will record the financial transaction pertaining to the growth of the business in the form of money or money's worth. So they were not measured the monies like efficient management they cannot able to maintain, which is very important for the organization. Next is effect of the price level changes cannot recorded. The system of accounting that we are going to study record monetary transaction at the cost in the book. The effect of the prices level changes is not considering or taking into account at all. The result that the comparison of the transaction of the different year become difficult. for the sale of the total assets would be much higher in 2015 than in 2010 due to the rising prices. So fixed assets being shown at the cost or do not at the market price. So whatever the record they were maintaining, that is based on the cost in the book. Means when they purchase the transaction or when they purchase the assets, that value only they were recording in throughout the year. So if the value of the assets or materials will be changing, that is not recorded in the books of the account, because what the purchase cost will be there, the cost of the purchase will be there, that only they were recording, and the sale value will be there, cost of productions will be there. So cost of production plus profit, that the sale value will be there. The sale value only they were recording. Means the profit whatever they were getting, that information sometimes their profit will be increasing. So this information is not recorded in the books of the account. Means when they purchase the particular assets, the value of the assets will be different. When they were recording in the transaction, that time the value of the assets may be increasing or decreasing, that they were not recording in the books of the account. Next is historical in nature. At the end of the financial year, accounting supplier information in the form of balance sheet and profit and loss account. This information is based on the transaction which took place prior to the preparation of the financial account. Therefore, the information provided in historical in nature, the finance accounts are only a post-mortem analysis of the past accounting information. So the accounting is based on the historical in the nature. Means based on the history based on the past information only they were recording, because the past creditors will be there, the debtors will be there, that also they will be transferred for the next years. So at the end of the financial year, the supplier in the form of the balance sheet and profit and loss account. So in the profit and loss account only they were maintaining. In that the debtors and the creditors will be there. That amount they may changes. So that is not recorded in the books of the account. Next is unrealistic information. Accounting statement are not realistic because accounting statement do not follow accounting concept and convention. For example, following going concern concept, assets are recorded at the cost, but the value at which the assets is shown in the balance sheet is not usually reliable. Means in accounts, assets value when they purchase the value will be different, and when they were showing in the particular financial year, the assets value will be decreasing. Means going concern concept they were recording. Next is no real test or managerial performance. Strictly speaking, profit earned during the accounting period is the tested of the managerial performance. But management can very easily manipulate the account by resorting to undesirable practices and concern the actual profit. So it is not possible to correctly assess the performance of the organization. So profit earned during the accounting period in the test manager performance. Sometimes in manager performance the profit will be increasing or decreasing. So to manipulate that, they will change the record. Means they will entering the other record in the organization. Sometimes the profit is not showing in the proper manner. That for that purpose they will manipulate. Accounting resorting to undesirable practices and concern the actual profit. So it is not possible to correctly assess the performance of the management. Next is permit alternative treatment. Accounting permit alternative treatment of items like depreciation and value of the assets, application of different methods giving different result of different organization, and help the company of the result become very difficult. The organization will be taking the alternative treatment for the assets. They will have the depreciation in a straight line method or in different method, written down value method they can able to maintain. So both value will be different, and value of the stock, application of the different method giving different result. So value of the stock, sometimes it will be giving the purchasing cost, or sometimes they will using the particular date the value of the stock they will maintain. So that is also giving the different result for the organization. So it is very difficult to maintain the proper profit in the organization. Next is personal bias of the account. The account is free to select any method of charging depreciation or value stock or amortization of fixed assets or treatment of deferred revenue expenditure. It is further mean that the selection of the method affect the preparation of the accounting statement. So organization will be using the different method for doing the accounting statement. So depreciation, they can able to use different method, or value of the stock also they can able to use different method, or amortization method, or of the fixed assets, or treatment of the deferred revenue expenditure. So this method will be change the value of the profit in the organization. When they were using one method, the profit will be different. When they were using the other method, the value of the profit will be changes. So it is very difficult to analyze the financial statement of the organization. So these are the some of the disadvantages of the organization. So user of the accounting information are management or the managers, people with the direct financial interest and the people with the indirect financial interest. Managers means they know the financial position of the organization. Directly investment means those who are like to directly invest in the organization. Indirectly means indirectly they will inform others to invest in the particular organizations. Indirectly means the example is regular agencies, labor unions, financial analysts, stock and share brokers, underwriters, economists, planner. So they were all the indirect. Directly users means creditors, existing investors, potential investors, employees. They can able to invest in the organization directly. Next is limitation. It record only monetary transaction. The organization will be recording only monetary transaction in the terms of money or money's worth. They were not using the effective management. Effect of the price level changes not recorded. The value of the price is changing. That information is not recorded in the books of the account. Next is based on the historical in the nature. So based on the past history only, they were recording the transactions, that is profit trading account and profit and loss account. By that only they were can able to prepare the balance sheet. Next is unrealistic information. So they were using the going concern concept. So assets are recorded at the cost, but the value of which are an asset is knowing in the balance sheet. So the value of the assets will be different in the market and the value of the organization is recorded in a different manner. No real test of the managerial performances. Next is permit alternative treatment. So the organization can able to use the alternative treatment, means the organization can able to use different methods in depreciation or value of the assets that will give the different value for the investors. Personal bias of the accountant. The accountant is freely to select any method to charge the depreciation of the value of the assets, or amortization of fixed assets, or treatment of deferred revenue expenditure. Personal bias of the accounting, based on the accountant, he can able to, or he or she can able to use, is based on his information he can able to use which method he like to do. In based on that method only he can able to prepare the accounting. Means depreciation method they can able to use for the fixed assets, or value of the stock also he can able to use opening value of the assets, or the purchase value, or the sales value they can able to use, and amortization of the fixed assets, or the treatment of the deferred revenue expenditure. Next class, accounting principle.